All right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going to go for a ride in our 2005 Jeep Scrambler. Very nice Jeep, gives back some old memories, especially with the fact that it has that old, I'd like to say late 80s, 90s pinstripe around the side with a nice decal on the side of the hood here. We also got the nice vinyl seats with the yellow stripe, and they're almost like Bumblebee. And another nice thing about this, we've got power steering, we got power brakes, we got nice blowing cold AC, upgraded radio and controls. It'll be a real smooth car here. Let's give you all a little bit of a brake test. Very nice, very nice. Handles really well. We got the spare tire in the back, as you know. Actually, I believe we didn't put this in the video, but the top actually comes off, so you might as well get a good wind when it has it down. Really, really nice cruising car. Yep. Definitely gives you an old throwback of the beach. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.